Good day, my name is Marius de Wit, and I grew up and was born in German West Africa, which is now Namibia. And I grew up in a desert, never had anything to do with farming till I was about 14, 15 years, or 13, 14 years old. And on weekends, I was in school in a hostel, so I went on weekend with farm children and visited with them and played on farms. Never really worked as a child on farms, but I got to know farm people and farm activities and driving around on tractors and play around. Then as my first job was with Telkom, telecommunications. So I was working for 17 years as a telecom technician. So I got to know that kind of a workspace corporate. And after 17 years, I resigned and I went into the private sector for myself. And in my walk in life, I landed up in a few circumstances which brought me on farms. I had family and friends on farms, and I partake in farm activities, but not really working for a living on a farm. And at some stage, I had a trucking company, and I had to drive my big rig. I think the Americans call it a big rig. It's a Superlink with us, 2 trailers, 56 ton, 22 meters long. And I've got a code 3 driver's license. And I did that for quite a couple of years. So my career history is actually that I was, at the moment, as I'm doing construction and maintenance for myself. I run my own company. It's a tough market with us. Every Dick, Tom and Harry does it, so you have to have a very good name to compete, and your prices must be very low. So it is not really, for me specifically, I couldn't make it work financially. I can survive, but that is not my intention to survive. I can survive easier ways than what I'm doing at the moment. So it's all about building and maintenance projects, waterproofing, painting, building, plaster, general renovations, paving, electric, motorized securities, plumbing, carpentry, wooden flooring, roof building, landscaping, and all these things. I manage it, and I've got labor guys that have got the ability to do these jobs, and I just manage it. And I will instruct them the way I like things, and my customers like it. I am full of, I don't know what the word is in English. I've got a standard, and things must be my way or the highway. And I do not agree with half-hearted work. I want a proper job. I will pay you properly, and you must do the job properly because my customer paid me properly, so it must be properly done. Before that, I did some farm security, anti-poaching, rhinos, did some investigation. I did CCV patrols and physical patrols, rural safety, game counting. It was on game farms, so I was also a professional hunter, and I partaken in culling and the general maintenance on game farm, where I was doing this anti-poaching stuff. I'm a private security registered, and before that I was a farm manager at ACL Group, And Louis Wessels is one of the guys that I first got to know that worked in America for many years. And for many years he told me, Marius, you must go to America. You will enjoy the Americans. You will like their work. Suppose this Africa thing and you are not getting along well, but I think you must go. And they, for many years, have encouraged me to go to America. They said I will enjoy it there. And the Americans will enjoy me. I don't know about that. That is what they told me. He's a big businessman in South Africa now, Australia, and he's got some business connections in America as far as I know. So they had a farm, him and a partner, and I helped them on a farm to revive the farm. There were some problems with the farm, the maintenance of the farm, and I checked on the productivity and implemented some things. And there were sheep, cattle, game, lucerne, alfalfa, I think you call it, maize and grains. I market, I selling, I did loading, I did delivering the livestock at the destinations. I did the invoicing, the collection of the money, managing, and the remuneration. I hope that's the right word. I could be swearing now, as far as I know, of contract and employers. And I was purchasing livestock materials, provisions, stuff like that, and planning and introduction of the stuff, and the inoculation, is that the word? Planning of the execution of the breeding of the farm, the production of the crops and so on, and evaluating the market and the demands and developing the sales